Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a year end on Xero. So first is head over to Xero.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. And from your dashboard, click on accounting, then click on advanced, then under advanced settings, click on financial settings. Now, from here, you can see the financial year end section. And there's also an option to change it just by clicking on the change link. But as you can see, changing financial year end will have considerable impact on fixed assets. All depreciation will be reversed, assets will need to be manually updated, and manual journals may need to be created for adjustments. Now make sure to decide well in changing your financial year end, as this may affect specific details about your business, but adjusting your financial year end in Xero has also its own benefits. First is, of course, it tells Xero the start and end of your business year. It makes sure reports like profit and loss and balance sheet show the right period, and it keeps year to date totals and comparisons accurate. It helps correct reports, easier compliance, clear comparisons, and less hassle for your accountant. Now, if you've decided that you would want to change your financial year end, just head over and change the dates by clicking on the drop down menu, select the day and month, then head over and click on done. And lastly, click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!